Hello, this is Mr. Marvin, and I will walk you through the simple steps in joining a class in Zoom using your iPad. When your class meets in Zoom and you are using an iPad, you need to download the Zoom app in your iPad first. Once the Zoom app is downloaded in your iPad, you can find the app on your iPad screen or on your taskbar. When you click the Zoom icon, you are asked to sign up for a Zoom account if you have not signed up yet. You can sign in to your account in order to join Zoom. You also have the choice to start a meeting or join a meeting. To join a class in Zoom, type the meeting ID given by your teacher for the class and type your name that shall show on the Zoom screen. Toggle on the Don't Connect to Audio slider. Toggle on also the Turn Off My Video slider. When you turn these on, you are joining Zoom with both your audio and camera off. You can turn on both your audio and camera in Zoom when you need to or are asked to. Be mindful that your teacher makes the rules regarding the use of audio and video during the class. When ready, click the Join button. When asked for the passcode to enter the class, type the passcode that was shared to you by your teacher. Click the Continue button to join Zoom. You may be placed temporarily in the waiting room in Zoom. Wait for your teacher to admit you to the class. Once you are admitted to your teacher's Zoom room, you can participate in class using the many important features available for you in Zoom. You can find yourself at the bottom of the screen with your name. Your teacher is usually shown on the main screen. Notice that your audio is off and your video is also off. You can turn on your audio by clicking the microphone icon when it is time for you to speak. Notice that the red cross line is gone to indicate that your microphone is now active. You can also turn on your video by clicking the camera icon when it is time for you to show yourself on screen. Notice also that the red cross line is gone to indicate that your camera is now active. When your teacher allows participants to share their screen for project presentation, you can click the green Share Content button to show your iPad screen, photos, among others, to the class. You can find the participants who joined the Zoom room, including you, and the teacher, who is usually the host. You can see if each participant's audio and video are turned on or off. Click the hot dog icon to find the buttons for chat, meeting settings, minimize meeting, and raise hand. If you do not need to connect to an audio, you can click disconnect audio. You can no longer hear or can be heard in the Zoom meeting. You can also find the emoticons for clap, thumbs up, heart, joy, open mouth, or tada to show your reaction that stays on your Zoom window for 5 seconds. When it is time to leave the Zoom meeting, click the red leave button. Consequently, you are forced to leave Zoom when the host ends the meeting. This is a tutorial by Mr. Marvin.